Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some exciting different goodies to share with you today. This is from Diamond Tribe on Etsy, and Courtney asked if she could send me some items to share with you all. So it's not diamond paintings, but it is diamond painting related. And I have no idea what's in here. I just know it says fragile. Okay, so I think we might have to sort of do this as a little bit of a lucky dip one at a time. Oh, so Diamond Tribe do cover minders, which I know many people like to use when diamond painting with a painting with clear covers, because they help to hold the cover paper back. In fact, let me get one. Okay, let's keep it on the hanger just because I'm lazy. But the idea behind these is, look at him, isn't he sweet? A little duck, a little rubber duck, is you actually get 2 magnets. So what the idea is, you can move your cover paper back, and rather than it falling back down onto your painting, you put your magnet on the other side, and see, look, it's just done it already. And then you put your duck on the top and he holds it for you. And he's sweet. So why not? So yeah, she mainly does cover minders. She does do some other diamond painting accessories as well. But that's a little duck cover minder. Let me move that out of the way, because we've now discussed what cover minders are. These are gorgeously packaged. They're in little heart bags and in bubble wrap, and then in a bag. Oh, what's this one? I'm going to have to open them all. I'm sorry, I'm ripping all these stickers as well. You've got a little thank you sticker. I do like the packaging. I don't know what it is about Etsy and packaging, but it's always so cute. This one, it's Halloweeny. It is Halloweeny-ish. It's another cover minder, but this one is a little house with a witch's hat on the top. So we've got a little witch's house to go with my duck. He would work with Mr. Quackers, wouldn't he? Oh, those two are stuck together. I thought that was a bit of a weird shape. It's because it was stuck together. Oh, we've got a little bag with polka dots for this one. Let's get it. Oh, it's like Christmas. This one is a little bit flatter. This one is an epoxy pattern. Oh, that's cute. It's like a pattern with epoxy over the top. That's sweet though. It's like a, I want to say tribal, but it's probably wrong to say tribal. But oh, there you go. Can you see the gold in that? We like a bit of sparkle, us diamond painters. And the one that hitched a ride, this will be me this weekend, because I'm going away for the weekend with hubby and another couple. And there might be a cocktail or two involved. So, oh look, it's got little lemons in the bottom and everything. So we've got a little cocktail in my favourite blue. And then this is the bag that just keeps on giving. Okay, what have we got now? It's like Christmas. This one's pretty. So they're all different sizes if you need something bigger or something smaller, but they'll all do the same job. But this is a rose or a flower, and it is pink and purple. That's gorgeous. I will pop a link to her Etsy shop below, of course. Oh, then we have some diamond painting tools. So she does sell other things as well. So we've got a long straightener, a little short, like 6 straightener. That's the one I often use. An angle tip, and then a chunkier tip as well, not a brass tip. So we've got some tips. What else have we got? Oh, I think that's Sweeties. Is that Sweeties? Or is it a mixture? Oh, I can't tell. Oh, we have a lollipop, a cat lollipop, And that looks like some sherbet, little sherbet stick. We have a spider. I'll have to see if I can get away with placing that somewhere just to make hubby wonder a little bit. Might have to do it before this video goes live. Oh, there we go. So we've got our card, Diamond Tribe, cover minders and accessories. As I say, I will pop a link in the description. So if you're on a mobile, click on the little arrow underneath my video. A little thank you card, holographic, we like shiny. And then we have some Halloween stickers. If you wait too long to order, you won't get Halloween. What else have we got? Oh my goodness me. Goodness me, Courtney. We've got these are cover minders as well. I can feel the magnets in them. But we have Halloween themed ones. So we have, it's like pumpkin cherries. And a little sweetie, I'm guessing that is. A little candy. Oh, there's more, there's more. This is another little gift set. Again, 3 cover minders. So we have a flower, little flower, a big bow, oh, an owl having coffee. Coffee is always a good thing. Oh, what else have we got? Oh, this is sweet. This is one, you'd have to try not to lose it. But that is so cute. It's a little toadstool. Little mini toadstool. To keep your diamonds in place. Oh, okay. Stop attracting yourselves to each other. I should keep those a little bit further apart, I think. No, they do not want apart. Okay, stay over there. Oh, not doing very well. Okay, you stay there. And you, little one, seem to be extremely strong. You can go over there. Oh, this is accessories, so these aren't cover minders. Oh, they're sweet pots. So we have wax, diamond painting wax, put in little pots. So we have a flower pot of purple. I'm trying to work out if it smells. I've got a little bit of a cold. It smells a little bit. Definitely not too overpowering. No, not a huge smell to them. They may not even meant to have been a smell, but they're pretty coloured wax, which is always good. Oh, then what? Okay, we're nearly finished in the bag. Then we have, oh, so this is a clear diamond painting pen with glitter, but that has got what looks to be a really comfy grip. So you've got a place to put your finger there, and you've got a place to put your finger there, and you've got a place for your thumb. And I'm not sure if it's, oh yeah, you can see that. It's actually different shapes on each side. So if you do struggle with maybe arthritis in your hands, then this may be something that's a bit easier for you, and you can fit that onto your diamond painting pen. But what's the point? You get a diamond painting pen with it, so you can use that. And then, oh, this is a big bag. Washi tape. Washi tape, washi tape. So there's various different washi tapes. We've got some sweet little sunglasses. We've got palm leaves with a little bit of copper. Again, added sparkle is always good. We have some thin silver. That might be nice to edge a painting if your frame is slightly larger than the painting itself. That can be nice to edge as well. Then we have some plain sort of burgundy brownish. Again, this can be good for edging if your frame is a little bit out, as well as covering sticky. Oh goodness me, there's loads. We have a mermaid or a fishtail design in blue. Very good choice, very good choice. I like blue. Oh, holographic. This has got like an AB coating. See, we like the sparkle. You can have an AB coating around your diamond painting. Another AB type 1, but in purple, or purple and blue. I'm trying to make sure that the light catches it all properly, so it's a little bit see-through, but not too much, but it sparkles. We like sparkles. We've got Dotty, reminds me of the 60s. Not a bad thing. There's more. There's more, there's more. We have cupcakes and teapots on pink. Oh, it's a little, looks like a little chick in a basket. I'm not sure if it's going to focus on that properly because it's slightly see-through, but we've got a little chick in a basket, and it does say chef as well on there somewhere. We've got cupcakes along the theme of food. Oh, sausage dogs. Cute little sausage dogs. Oh, I'm going to have some fun with these. Oh, some bigger one. Oh, this is pretty. This is a bit more elegant than funky fun. Depends what mood you're in. Are you in the mood for elegance or funky fun? That is gorgeous. That's nice and wide as well. It's a nice wide diamond painting washi. I mean, it can be used for other things, but all my washi gets used for diamond painting at the moment. Then we have some wider glitter. That is in like a burgundy brown. There's many paintings that colour would go with, actually. Many, many paintings. Then we have some lilac, or lilac, depending on how you say it. But we've got some very pale purple. It's borderline dusty pink, but purple was my first. And then last but not least, and I need to open it the opposite way so it reads right, we have lots of love. That would be quite nice to do sections of as well, to just cut a section of and pop it on a diamond painting that you gifted. We'll use it on a scrapbooking page. That would also work. Oh, wow. Thank you ever so much, Courtney from Diamond Tribe, for sending me all these amazing items to share with you all. She has got loads of other things as well. She's just sent me a selection. So do go and have a nosy, and you could always get yourself a cover minder or just some little diamond painting accessories to treat yourself to. I'll pop the link, as I say, down below. But thank you all so much for watching while I oohed and ahed over all of these goodies, and I'll speak to you all again soon.